Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you that aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. Today we have another Yeezy unboxing. Very exciting. I finally got my hands on a Yeezy 450. It's not the Cloud White. Those released back in March, I believe. I'll pop up on the screen the exact release date. But I have the Dark Slate 450. These released on June 26th for the retail price of $200. And I'm very excited to finally have them because I want to see what all the hype is about. Since Seth Fowler said that this is one of the most comfortable driving shoes, and if you know me, I love to drive. This was a very important shoe for me to have. So I'm very excited about these. I'm gonna give you guys all the details. I'm gonna give you some up close video of it. I'm gonna show on feet. And without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Ooh, my box is so small.
That's what she said.
Why is the box so small? This is a very small box. It feels weird. I kind of like it though, honestly, because you know, for compactness. Here, let me show you. Yeah, but I mean, I don't have any Yeezy boxes right now. I brought them all with me, but this is really small. This is like, I'd say like the 350 box cut in half. I also ordered these in a half a size up, as everyone has recommended, because I guess they run small. So I'll let you know what I think about that. But yeah, let's open it up. I'm like dying to see these. Whoa. This is such a weird looking shoe. They do look small. I have to say that. They look small. So like this, I think will fit me just fine. Wow. Oh, these are so cool. I don't have any 500s. And I know, I kind of like get that vibe from like the side, like the curvaceousness of it. Like
she's very curvy.
But I really like it. I think it looks so cool. It definitely does look like those hair clips with a sock, but like in the best way possible. I don't know. I take with that what you will, but I think these are so cool. So it's a all black plastic sole of the shoe. And then you have this prime knit upper that's almost like a dark gray. It's not really like a true black, I don't think. And on the back of the shoe, on the heel, it's almost like a brownish knit, as you can see. And I'll put up close. Then you have black laces. It's pretty basic. There's only two elements to the shoe, the prime knit and the sole. That's this really interesting looking black plastic that looks like a claw. On the inside, you can feel the plastic. Like it doesn't go over the prime knit. It actually is woven into each of these little claws, or it's tucked into each of these claws, because I can actually feel the plastic on the inside. You don't feel prime knit all the way through. You feel the plastic of that claw. Interesting. The only thing that is going to be interesting to try on is this like sock-like collar on the top. It's very interesting. I don't really know how that's going to look. I've seen a lot of people wear pants with these. I don't really see many people wearing shorts. Much better than I expected. It's light, but it's not too light. It's not like it's not like the slides, which I didn't expect, but I mean, they're much more substantial. Wow. Very interesting. I'm very excited to try these on and tell you guys what I think about the sizing. And yeah, should I put here? Let's grab. The prime knit is a little thinner on the 450s than the 350s. No. Maybe a little. I think this prime knit is a tad bit thinner than the 350 prime knit. Let's see for like sizing purposes. Okay, so this is a size men's 7. My 350 is a size men's 7. This is a little smaller. Okay, so we're gonna see. This is a men's 7 and this is a men's 7.5. So you can kind of see this is a little bit smaller. So I would probably say, just from looking at it and not even trying it on yet, definitely you need to go up in size. Yeah, so definitely a very interesting look. Not too many elements to this shoe, but definitely a statement for sure. I really like them. I think that the white is a little scary because of how dirty they can get. I like all black Yeezys. I think that it's a really great look. I'm interested. I think I'm gonna try and work out in these as well and see what I really think. I know these don't have boost, but I've heard that they're very comfortable, so that'll be something very interesting to test out. And with that being said, let us get into the on feet and up close.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down and in the rain. All things are burning up. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in a rocket. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new and you want to be a part of my family, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you here. Let me know what you guys think of these. Do you like them? Are you still thinking that they're ugly? Let me know what you guys think though. I'm always interested. And if you're interested in seeing how I style these, I have an Instagram and I'll pop it on the screen here where I style all of my sneakers and I post a picture pretty much every day of the week. So give me a follow over there. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!